The 2020 Escape's larger size has more room for occupants by increasing headroom, shoulder space, and hip room for both rows of seats. Non-hybrid models even have sliding second row seats that allow for as much as 37.5 cubic feet of cargo space. Hybrid models don't have this ability because the battery pack is under the seat. Occupants have a lot more technology to play with also. All grades except for the base S trim gets an 8-inch infotainment display, and buyers can get an optional 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes like normal, eco, sport, slippery, snow, and sand. A heads-up display projects onto a 6-inch screen in front of the windshield.